Hello student, a very good morning to everyone. So in previous class we have discussed about introduction portion of pilot plant scale-up and pilot plant scale-up technique for the solid unit dosage form. Today class we are discussing about the pilot plant scale-up for the liquid dosage form. Liquid, that means mainly used for the oral liquid. Okay. So mainly liquid that is administered through oral route. So oral route includes solution, suspension, emulsion. Okay. Okay, solution, suspension, and emulsion. So basically, oral liquids includes solution, suspension, and emulsion. So you know that what is a solution? Solution, that means it is a homogeneous mixture. Okay, where the solute can dissolve. Okay, make a homogeneous mixture. Okay, so that is known as solution. Mainly in case of solution, some formulation criteria or formulation aspect is needed. That is first one, API protection. Suppose you are making a solution by using API, where the API is completely dissolved in the solvent or liquid. Okay, so you have to give the protection because in a formulation, protection or stability is important criteria. So API protection, for providing the active pharmaceutical ingredients protection, you have to add some agent into the formulation. Okay, so some agents you have to add it. First of all, protection for API you have to add it some buffering agent. Okay, so maintain the pH. Okay, some preservative, that means antimicrobial preservative sometimes. Okay, sometimes antioxidant preservative, methyl paraben, propyl paraben. Okay, then sometimes added buffering agent like sodium acetate phthalate buffer. Okay, citrate buffer. Okay, then antioxidant sometimes added to prevent the oxidation. Then maintaining appearance. Okay, so after making a formulation, the looks or appearance will be good. ঠিক আছে, the looksটা আমাদের ঠিকঠাক রাখতে হবে, তাহলে কি হবে, easily accepted হবে by the patient or by the customer. Okay, so for this purpose sometimes added coloring agent, okay, co-solvent, okay, antimicrobial agent, coloring agent that will make a pleasant color. Okay, and that will make the increase the attractiveness. Okay, then next time masking the taste. Okay, so taste masking again, that means suppose some API having their bitter or obnoxious taste or odor. So so as a formulation scientist or as a production officer, you have to add some agent that will mask the taste. Okay, so for this purpose, taste masking agent like sweetening agent, flavoring agent are added into the formulations or solutions. Then coming to the suspension. Okay, so you all know that what is suspension. Suspension is biphasic liquid dosage form in where finely divided solid particles are dispersed in a liquid phase, that is known as a dispersion media. Okay, so finely divided solid particles having and particle size range having 0.22 to 5 micron. Okay, 0.22 to 5 micron. Okay, in case of suspension, and for making the stable suspension, suspending agent are added that will reduce the contact angle or interfacial tension between the two phase. Okay, disperse phase and continuous phase. So it will reduce the interfacial tension between solid and liquid interface. Okay, thus it will help to make a stable suspension. So for making this suspension into the industry, so you have to make some basic scale up technique. Okay, so what are the equipment needed for this purpose? What are the formulation criteria needed for this purpose? What are the testing equipment needed for this evaluation purpose? So these are the some basic scale up technique you have to perform or you have to pre-plan. because if sufficient instrument equipment not available, it will not able to make the product as standard quality. Okay, so after formulating the suspension, suppose in case of suspension some mixer is needed. Okay, high shear mixers. Okay, so in case of concentrated sali, the suspending agent can be made or dispersed by using high shear mixers in a small volume vehicle. So concentration of suspending agent, it will be optimum. Okay, if you increase the concentration of suspending agent, then it will lead to the more increase the viscosity of this product. So if the viscosity is more, that will prevent that will hamper the make stable suspension. Okay, so viscosity একটা কনসেন্ট্রেশন অপটিমাম রাখতে হবে, যেটা হেল্প করবে কি ওই সাসপেনশনের কি হবে, সাসপেনশনের যে স্টেবল সাসপেনশন বানানোর জন্য যে রিকোয়ার্ড কনসেন্ট্রেশন আর ভিসকোসিটি রিকোয়ার, সেই ভিসকোসিটিটা প্রোভাইড করবে। সো কনসেন্ট্রেশন উইল বি অপটিমাম। ওকে, ইউ ক্যান নট অ্যাড ইট মোর দেন রিকোয়ার্ড কনসেন্ট্রেশন। ওকে, so for this purpose, so addition সাসপেন্ডিং এজেন্টটা যখন সাসপেনশন অ্যাড করবে, সেই এই অ্যাডিশনের ক্ষেত্রে কিছু কিছু প্ল্যানিং করতে হবে, যে কোন টাইপের সাসপেন্ডিং এজেন্ট তুমি অ্যাড করবে, বা মিক্সার অফ সাসপেন্ডিং এজেন্ট অ্যাড করতে হবে। কারণ কি কম্বাইন সাসপেন্ডিং মানে সিম্পল একটা ধরো সিঙ্গেল সাসপেন্ডিং এজেন্ট ইউজ করছো, সেক্ষেত্রে কি হয়, সিঙ্গেল যদি ইউজ করো সেক্ষেত্রে সামটাইমস উই আর নট গেটিং দ্য অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট রেজাল্ট। সো ফর দিস পারপাস we have to added a combined suspending agent. Okay, so combine mixers of suspending agent, that will help to make the suspension as a standard or stable quality. Okay, so for as well as solution, suspension having some formulation aspect like API protection. So as API added in the suspension, so API protects for this purpose pH buffering agent or some buffering agent are added. Buffering agent that will help to maintain the pH. Okay, then sometimes antioxidant added that will prevent the oxidation. If some oil are used as a base, so there will be chance to let oxidation, rancidity reaction. So to prevent these types of rancid or oxidative reaction, some antioxidant are added. Okay, then here sometimes then maintaining the appearance. So after making the suspension, appearance will be good. So for this purpose some coloring agent are added sometimes, and masking the taste. If the API is bitter in taste or API having obnoxious odor and taste, so you have to mask the taste by adding some sweetening agent. So these are the some formulation aspect that will that have to be maintained during their pilot plant scale up technique. Okay, then coming to the emulsion portion. So emulsion, you have already know that what is emulsion. Emulsion is it is a biphasic liquid dosage forms of two immiscible liquid. Okay, in case of suspension, there one phase is liquid and another phase is solid. Okay, finely divided solid. But in case of emulsion having the two liquid. Okay, and these two liquid are immiscible in nature. Okay, so emulsion is a biphasic liquid dosage form. In here biphasic liquid dosage forms of two immiscible liquid. Okay, from two liquid, one liquid is converted minute globule, okay, into another liquid, and that converted minute globule will be dispersed into the another liquid. So the liquid that is converted into minute globule, that is known as dispersed phase. Okay, and in which liquid the dispersed phase will be dispersed, that is known as dispersion medium. Okay, so this is the emulsion. So for this purpose, emulsifying agent are added to making the emulsion more stable. So and the globule size range in case of emulsion, so my globule size range will be 0.1 to 100 micron. ঠিক আছে, এটা হচ্ছে আইডিয়াল globule size range. So emulsion is biphasic liquid dosage forms of two immiscible liquid. From this, one liquid is converted into minute globule into the other liquid. The liquid which is converted into minute globule, which is known as dispersed phase, and in which liquid the minute globule is dispersed, that is known as dispersion medium. And emulsion is thermodynamically unstable because these two liquid are immiscible in nature. Okay, so for this purpose, for making the stability, thermodynamical stability, emulsifying agent are added in this formulation. Okay, so emulsifying agent help to reduce the interfacial tension, reduce the surface tension between two phase, and it will help to make a single phase. It will help to make a single phase system. Okay, so emulsifying agent that will help to reduce the interfacial tension as well as surface tension. Okay. And globule size range will in case of stable emulsion, globule size range will be 0.1 to 100 micron. ঠিক আছে, that is the emulsion. So for this purpose, in case of industry, so some pilot plant scale up, some scale up technique needed. Okay, okay, scale up technique. Why scale up technique is needed? Because you are making an emulsion. For this purpose, which ingredient is needed? First of all, you have to scale up. Then which instrument is needed? Which vehicle are used for this purpose? So তুমি কি কি নিয়ে ওটা বানাতে চাচ্ছ এবং তোমার ইমালশন বানানোর জন্য কোন ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টটা? সাপোজ ইউ আর ইউজিং হোমোজেনাইজার. ওকে, সাপোজ ইউ আর ইউজিং colloidal mill. Okay, so colloidal mill, it will help to make the stable emulsion. Okay, and also homogenizer help to make the stable emulsion. So homogenizer তুমি কোন টাইপের homogenizer ইউজ করবে সেই সমস্ত পারপাসের জন্য তোমাকে, এবং সেটা করার পর সাম ইভালুয়েশন প্যারামিটার নিডেড। সো ইভালুয়েশনের জন্য ডিফারেন্ট টেস্ট করার জন্য ডিফারেন্ট ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট দরকার, এবং সেটা স্টোরেজ করার জন্য ফর দ্য স্টোরেজ পারপাস নিডেড সাম ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট। সো all this requirement you have to pre-plan and you have to scale up. Okay, so this is the for emulsion person, this is the some information about this emulsion. Okay, so for this emulsion you have to some formulation aspect are also needed. Okay, because you are if you justify the formulation aspect, it will help to getting the product as standard quality or optimum quality. Okay, optimum quality. So for this purpose, API protection, add same the solution or suspension for this purpose emulsion, as it is a liquid dosage form. For this purpose API protection so needed. So for this purpose you have to add it pH buffer solution. To maintain the pH, you have to add the buffer solution. To prevent the oxidation, you have to add antioxidant. Okay, then maintaining the appearance, some coloring agent added, and masking the test if the API which are used in the case of emulsion. So API will be if API is bitter in taste, then you have to mask the bitter taste by adding some sweetening there. These are the some formulation aspect in case of emulsion. Okay, then in case of emulsion, it is important formulation criteria. Important formulation criteria is droplet size. Okay, so droplet size will be optimum inside. So size range will be from 1 to 100 micrometer. Okay, this is the water, this is the oil. Okay, so emulsion is biphasic liquidation which are immersible in nature. Okay, so for this purpose, it is thermodynamically unstable. When you are shaking, suppose in a container, you are transferring suppose some amount of oil and water, then shake it properly. After shaking, you can see what you can see. You can see that some dispersed phase will be some amount of some portions some droplet of oil get dispersed in this medium, and also as well as water get dispersed in this oil medium, as well as oil droplet get dispersed in this medium. But this is not stable. That will not making a stable. So for this purpose, you have to add it emulsifying agent. So concentration of emulsifying agent is important criteria. Okay, so for this purpose, you have already studied that for volatile oil, for fixed oil. Okay, for how much concentration is needed. Okay, oil, water and gum concentration for making the primary emulsion. Primary emulsion বানানোর জন্য যে ক্রাইটেরিয়াগুলো ছিল ফিক্সড অয়েল, ভলাটাইল অয়েলের জন্য অয়েল ওয়াটার গ্রাম কত কনসেন্ট্রেশন লাগবে সেটা তোমরা অলরেডি পড়ে এসছো। সো অপটিমাম কনসেন্ট্রেশন ইজ নিডেড in order to make the stable emulsion. Okay. So droplet size, for this purpose droplet size will be 0.1 to 100 micrometer. So droplet size is important parameter you have to maintain for the making stable emulsion. So this is the all these are the aspect regarding the liquid dosage forms. Then coming to the next, that is the semi-solid dosage form. Okay, so now coming to the discussion portion of the pilot plan scale up. Pilot plan scale up or semi-solid dosage form. So from this name you can say that semi-solid. So it includes so semi-solid, that from this name you can say that it includes solid and solid liquid. In between, it is a state of in between solid and liquid, coherent like structure, coherent mass like structure. এর মধ্যে সলিডে থাকবে, সাম আবার লিকুইডে থাকবে, দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ সেমি সলিড। ওকে, so semi solid dosage form includes paste, ointment, gels and cream. Okay, so what is paste? We have already studied about that. So paste is a semi solid dosage form where the finely divided solid particles are dispersed or distributed into the base. Okay, paste. So for this purpose include this. And in case of ointment, it is a semi solid dosage form where the finely divided solid particles are dispersed, dissolved or emulsified into the ointment base. And in case of gel, same. And in case of cream, also cream, it is a types of semi-solid dosage form which is made by emulsification process. It is sometimes it is water in oil and oil in water type emulsion. Okay, so this is the semi-solid dosage form. So for this purpose, if you are making in a plant some semi-solid dosage form, so you have to make a pilot plant scale up for this solid dosage, semi-solid dosage form. Okay, you have to make some scale up technique because for this in case of semi-solid there will be little bit hazardous problem will be there because for this semi-solid dosage form equipment used for this purpose, that is little bit hazardous as compared to others solid or liquid dosage forms. Okay, so for this purpose, suppose you are making ointment, so for this purpose you have to use triple roller mixture. Okay, so it will help to reduce the particle size as well as help to mixing. Okay, so for this purpose you have to select the equipment. Okay, mixing speed. Okay, so you have to scale up the equipment, you have to scale up the mixing speed, you have to scale up the viscosity of the semi-solid, important parameter, viscosity scale up. Okay, so viscosity is, in case of semi-solid dosage form, viscosity is important parameter, so you have to maintain the viscosity as optimum. Okay, so in case of semi-solid dosage form, the scale up for most serious processing step which needs to be properly evaluated during their manufacturing process of a cream. Okay, suppose you are making a cream, so in this case the most serious step, what is the most serious step? So cream, it is a type of emulsion, so as it is a emulsion, so it will be O by W or W by O type emulsion. Okay, so O by W by O type. Okay, so cold cream, that is W by O type, cold cream. So you are in cold cream for beautifying purpose, for moisturizing purpose. So cold cream, it will provide the cooling sensation after application into the skin. So it is a type of emulsion WIO type. And vanishing cream, you have heard about vanishing cream. For it is used for the mainly it is contains stearic acid, something like that. So for it is used for the improving the beauty. Okay, so in case of cream, so most optimum stage or critical step is emulsification. So if not emulsification not properly over, then the optimum concentration of cream will be not over. Okay, so for this purpose you have to critical step maintain, you have to thoroughly study about the critical step. You have to thoroughly have a look about the critical step of giving the emulsion making process. Okay, so if the emulsion is properly formed, then emulsion is then further step will be proceed for the making the cream. Okay, so these are the some. In case of ointment, so ointment also same. Ointment it is a types of semi-solid dose from where the mixing step. Mixing, that means finely divided solid particles will be dissolved, dispersed or emulsified. So in this case, the API will be dissolved here. Okay, so dissolution process, that means it will be properly dissolved into the ointment base. So dissolution process, you have to look strong look about that the dissolution process of this API into the ointment base. So it is the most critical step and okay, so dissolution, if the dissolution not properly occurs, so uniform distributions of API it will not occur. Okay, so uneven distribution of drug, unequal dose distribution will be happen for this one. In the case of paste, so finely divided solid particles are dispersed into the media or into the base. Okay, base. So finely distributions or evenly distributions of solid particle is important critical features for this purpose. So these are the some basic critical features. Basic critical features you have to keep in your mind during the pilot plant scale up activity. Okay. So this is the semi-solid dosage form. Next, coming to the next topic, that is SUPAC. SUPAC is stand for, that is scale up and post approval charges. Okay, from this name you can say that it includes all the charges, scale up and post approval charge. So scale up charge. Scale up means in case of pilot plant scale up purpose, you are design different equipment, design place, you are hiring raw material, you are buying raw material. Okay, different equipment charge, all the charge as well as approval after formulate the product. After formulate the suitable dosage form, you have to approve from the central authority, higher authority. So FDA, Federal Drug Administration approval, or DCGI, Drug Control General of India, the approval. Okay, for this purpose some amount charges is needed. So that is includes the all the charge. Okay, regarding that includes all the charge, and for regarding scale up charge and as well as post approval charge. After making the formulation, you have to launch the formulation in the market. So for this purpose, approval charge is needed, and approval charge have to be. Okay, so this includes all the charges. Okay, so it includes scale up and post approval charges involved in the scale up process and charges. That means scale up process charge. I have already told that scale up for this purpose you are scale up a pilot plant. Okay, so for this purpose you are hiring a equipment. তুমি একটা ইকুইপমেন্ট হায়ার করছো, তুমি একটা প্লেস ঠিক করছো, সেই প্লেসটা রেন্ট দিতে হচ্ছে, তার জন্য যে স্কেল আপ চার্জ লাগছে। তুমি র মেটেরিয়াল হায়ার করেছো, র মেটেরিয়াল কেনার জন্য যে টাকাটা লাগছে, সেগুলো পরে একটা সাপোজ ফর্মুলেশন বানানোর পর সেই ফর্মুলেশনটাকে মার্কেটে লঞ্চ করতে হবে। তো মার্কেটে লঞ্চ তুমি করতে পারবে না, কারণ কি তোমাকে অ্যাপ্রুভাল নিতে হবে ফ্রম সাম বডিজ, দ্যাট ইনক্লুডস FDA, ফেডারেল ড্রাগ অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন, NDA, এগুলোর অ্যাপ্রুভাল নিয়ে তাহলে সেটাকে মার্কেটে লঞ্চ করা যাবে। So for this purpose, some charge you have to bear. So these are all are the charges, mainly charges. Okay. So charges are made in the manufacturing process. Okay. After discovery of a charges are this charge include manufacturing process. Okay. Evaluation process. Okay. Raw material cost. Okay. Transportation cost, handling cost, all the transportation, that means not formulation transportation, it is raw material cost transportation. Okay, raw material transportation cost. Okay, so SUPAC provides some guidelines that First, SUPET guidelines provide instruction to sponsors of new drug application. Suppose SUPET provide some guidelines. So guidelines includes first one. What is first guideline? What are the first guideline? That is the new drug application. Suppose you are in R&D section. So R&D section, company having the R&D section, they are discover a drug molecule or new molecule. So this new molecule you have to application for new drug application. Okay, new drug application. So it is a new drug you are discover, and for this purpose NDA application, new drug application you have to apply. Okay, for this purpose some charge is needed. Then application of new application. Okay, new application, that means new application regarding a formulations. So that is the abbreviations new drug application. Then coming to the abbreviated new drug abbreviated antibiotic application. Okay, so suppose you are making a tablet of antibiotic. So for this purpose you have to getting the approval. So you have to get the approval from higher authority. So for this purpose some charges is needed. Okay, composition charge, manufacturing site charge, scale up charge, manufacturing process, equipment, all the charges are needed. Okay, so SUPET provide some guidelines like level of charges. Level of charges includes minor, moderate and major charges. For the test purpose, suppose you are making a formulation, so it is evaluation parameter. Evaluation is more important, because if you not properly evaluate the product, you cannot launch the product into the market, or you cannot apply for the approval purpose of this product. So test, for this purpose for testing purpose you are investing some money. So, okay, for this purpose you have to hire some equipment for testing purpose. So for this purpose তোমার কিছু মানি ইনভেস্ট করতে হবে। সেক্ষেত্রে কি করতে হবে, সেটার যে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ফি, সেটার জন্য সেই ফি, টেস্টিং এর জন্য যে ফিসটা লাগছে, ইনভিট্রো ইনভিভো রিলিজ দেখছো, অ্যানিমাল স্টাডি করছো, তার জন্য তোমার তো কিছু টাকা লাগছে, সেই চার্জেসগুলো সেগুলো সবগুলো কম্বাইন করতে। বেসিক্যালি অল দ্য চার্জেস ফর স্কেল আপ প্রসেস এবং পোস্ট অ্যাপ্রুভাল। পোস্ট অ্যাপ্রুভাল মানে তুমি দেখো, অ্যাপ্রুভাল তখনই হবে যখন সেটার ইনভিভো স্টাডি হয়ে যাবে। ইনভিভো স্টাডি, ক্লিনিক্যাল স্টাডি, ওকে, অল দ্য স্টাডি হয়ে যখন পারফর্ম হবে, তারপরে তুমি অ্যাপ্রুভালের জন্য যাবে। তো তার জন্য টোটাল যে চার্জটা লাগবে সেটা কন্ট্রোল করবে কি সুপার স্কেল আপ অ্যান্ড পোস্ট অ্যাপ্রুভাল চার্জেস। ওকে, সেটা কি করবে, সেটা সিলেক্ট করবে, দ্যাট শুড বি মেড বাই ইন্ডাস্ট্রি। ওকে, সেই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে যিনি ইনচার্জ থাকবেন তিনি করবেন। দেন ফিলিং পারপাসে তুমি ধরো ওই প্রোডাক্টটাকে ফিল করছো, প্যাকেজিং পারপাসে কস্ট দেওয়া হচ্ছে, সেই প্যাকেজিং পারপাসে যে কস্টটা দেওয়া হচ্ছে সেটাও এর মধ্যে ইনক্লুড থাকবে। ওকে, দেন সুপারের গাইডলাইন রয়েছে কিছু, লেভেল 1 চার্জ, লেভেল 2, লেভেল 3 কোনটা কি সেটা আমি নোটে প্রোভাইড করে দিয়েছি, তোমরা একবার জাস্ট নোটটা দেখে নিলে তোমরা বুঝতে পেরে যাবে। ওকে, আর যদি কোনো প্রবলেম হয় অবশ্যই আমরা ডিসকাস করব। Thank you for today class. So today class is discussion about pilot plant scale up for liquid dosage form, oral liquid basically, and semi-solid dosage form, and SUPET. SUPET is scale up and post approval charges. So in simply আমি এটাকে বলছি, SUPET হচ্ছে total charges, okay, of a product, of a formulation. It includes scale up and post approval. Scale up means pilot plant scale up. Okay, so pilot plant scale up includes, সাপোজ কি বলেছি, একটা প্রিমিসেসে তুমি কিছু একটা ইন্ডাস্ট্রি বানাতে চাইছো, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে তুমি ট্যাবলেট বানাতে চাইছো, সেই ট্যাবলেট বানানোর জন্য তোমাকে স্কেল আপ করতে হবে, প্ল্যানিং করতে হবে, ডিজাইন করতে হবে। তো তার জন্য তোমার কিছু ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট লাগবে, সেই ইনস্ট্রুমেন্টটাকে হায়ার করতে হবে, র মেটেরিয়াল লাগবে, সো অল দ্য কস্ট ইনক্লুডেড। ওকে, সো তার ফর্মুলেশন বানানো, তারপরে তুমি যে লেবার হায়ার করছো, লেবার কস্ট, অল কস্ট ইনক্লুডেড। তারপরে কি হচ্ছে, প্রোডাক্টটা বানানোর পর প্রোডাক্টটাকে অ্যাপ্রুভাল করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে। সো অ্যাপ্রুভাল করার জন্য বিভিন্ন ইভ্যালুয়েশন প্যারামিটার, প্রোডাক্টের সেফটি, এফিকেসি, থেরাপিউটিক এফিকেসি, সব সেফটি মার্জিন সবগুলো চেক করার জন্য কি করতে হবে, ক্লিনিক্যাল ট্রায়াল, ইনভিট্রো ইনভিভো রিলিজ স্টাডি করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে। সেই ইনভিট্রো ইনভিভো রিলিজ যখন দেখবে যে হ্যাঁ আপ টু দ্য লেভেল, রেজাল্টটা পেয়েছি যে আপ টু দ্য লেভেল, যে রেজাল্টটা ডিক্লেয়ার ছিল অ্যাজ পার স্ট্যান্ডার্ড প্রোটোকল, সেটা ফলো করছে, তাহলে কি হবে, অ্যাপ্রুভালের জন্য তুমি অ্যাপ্লাই করবে যে দিস প্রোডাক্ট ইজ আপ টু দ্য লেভেল অ্যাজ স্ট্যান্ডার্ড protocol. So you can please give me the approval. I can launch the drug into the market. Okay. So for this purpose, all সেখানে তোমাকে কিছু চার্জ দেওয়া করতে হবে গভর্নমেন্টকে। ওকে, so তার জন্য যে চার্জ সেটাও ইনক্লুডেড থাকে। সো দ্যাট ইজ দ্য বেসিক্যালি সুপার, ইন জেনারেল সুপার। ঠিক আছে। So next class we will discuss next portion of this topic. Thank you.